Mema Obibia Akwaba about juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a Bremo. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for North Tongue Wakasa na wadi insemi atuja okupie wo University of Health and Allied Science na wani di dwumadi bi wo ho ana okokasa wase na wadi insemi atuja wache se NDC fo betimi aba ne no enyade ono obe support treacherous MPs ansa na ebeko ensemi nimu Mensah say we subscribe to the channel na over subscribe o click subscribe button no say the ekire wo screen so na wa bele notification no we and sa video fufuru bia be upload no wo so sa ebeka bi afi we na like video no my thumbs up na fi wa share ama ofufuru so enye bi afhwe afi yenko ezeminimo MP for Northton Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa wakasa wodi ensebi atuja na nsem na kotuja no say na story no a capture no and the war screen the so I say NDC can ban me. I will not support treacherous MPs Ablakwa vows. Na wɔkyerɛ sɛ NDC fo betime yire free party ni mu ɔno enya de a wɔbɛta ɛyɛ MPs a wɔn yɛ treacherous yɛ ka treacherous a kyɛ sɛ obi a ɔnyɛ lawyer obi a untimi nyini ni na ne nyina gyina ɛyɛ ministers a ɛyɛ Akufo-Addo power na wɔn kupi overti committee kyerɛ ne ba ɛsɛ yɛ to wɔn so aba NDC fo bɛyɛ press conference Akufo-Addo appointees bi ne wa wɔn bɛgye wɔn atum ekyire Akoto aba no na kyerɛ ebi afekyire Akoto ama yagye wɔn nyina atum ebi ti sɛ KT Hammond ebi ti sɛ Stika Stephen Amoa ebi ti sɛ Brana Champon a na okeka nsenhu sɛ nya de wɔn bɛ handle over power etutumi sɛ yawdie ne da so wɔ Ablakwa mu ɛno ana ɔde saa asɛm no kotuja na yɛhwɛ nsɛm no details a ayɛ Okudzeto Ablakwa ɛde tuja yɛde ne audio no so ɛbɛtuja ma ne ahwɛ Ghana for so adwene a wɔne kafa ɛyɛ nsɛm a ayɛ Okudzeto Ablakwa ɛde tuja na yɛni kan hwɛ the details of the story no hwɛ details of the story the member of parliament for Northton Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa has vowed not to support the National Democratic Congress NDC parliamentarians who defy the party's order to vote against the approval of new appointees of the government. Speaking at the Obasima campus tour event at the University of Health and Allied Science in Ho on Friday, Ablakwa, who appears to be still pained by the action of the said MP, said they have made the NDC lose credibility in the eyes of many Ghanaians. Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa okupio University of Health and Allied Science na wani di dwumadi bi wo ho wano to ne din Obasima campus tour event na no ase eno kokasa ya ochese ono enya dia obe support to treacherous MPs na utimi se yawdie ewo ni mu no se
watching juicy news on YouTube hot news all time
NDC mu no ebeba form now to us I say they said we should hold a press conference and tell the Ghanaian public that we will vote against the president appointees, that we are opposed, only for the vote to take place after the press conference and public assurances. More than 30 of you stab us in the back. Now, or just say, press conference. Press conference, you Akoto about on say a mobile 30, not just 1 or 2 at the Amasa Yenji appointees in and 2. And no, and a year Okudzeto Sama or the 2. Now, Yenti audio no, Okupio, the media national. Ne sama ode tuja ho yenti audio no ye ba na ye de Ghana for so adwenkyira wa na kafa sansem mu hu no ye de nyina amamo mai ni kan ti audio no.
Oh, yes, and we even said let's go and hold a press conference. Let's tell the Ghanaian public that we will vote against. We are opposed. Only for the vote to take place after the press conference and all the public assurances. More than 30 of you stabbing us in the back, and this one stabbing us everywhere, back, front, head, everywhere. And you think that I'm going to support you people because you belong to my party. I would not. Because we would even not have credibility. Next time we go and hold a press conference, make any promise, give any assurance, the Ghanaian people won't take us serious. I don't believe in treacherous politics. Politics without principle. Politics of betrayal. I don't believe in that. And if because of that, one day I'll be suspended or banished from my party, well, so be it. If you are not in a party, it doesn't mean that you can't have oxygen to breathe and stay alive. You know, the way some people do politics, you know. So really, this national cathedral thing, and they say that they will build a restaurant where they will be serving manna and unleavened bread, and they will bring the fig fruit, you know, all the things that you read in the Bible.
Hot news all time.
I mean, can you believe that? Look, so see where the unemployment rate is currently, according to the latest population housing census. It's more than doubled from 2016. And Friday night, we'll go to the Bible Museum restaurant, cross our legs. Poor country, Ghana, with high unemployment. You can't get childhood vaccines for your babies. And this is your priority. You are waiting for, and all of this, doesn't it occur to our leaders that the fact that they even have to import all of this from Israel, even the stone, the cornerstone of the project was imported from Israel. That itself should tell you, look, people travel for tourism for the authentic experience, isn't it? If I want to go to where Jesus walked, where Jesus sat, where Jesus prayed, where Jesus fasted for 40 days, I want to go to the real place, isn't it? If I want to buy air ticket. Because the airline operators won't say that, because you are going for the fake experience in Ghana, the make-believe one, so we are going to reduce the cost for you, give you a discount, or you won't pay at all. And who will leave the original places in Jerusalem, in Jordan, and come to Accra, near Parliament House, where a lot has been happening these days, which I'm not sure that the Bible will want to record. So really, what is going on? And imagine what $1 billion can do. And all of these things are going on because leadership believes that, the people are so docile. I bet you this could not have happened in the 70s, in the 80s, in the 90s. Even when I was Nook's president, some of the things we have demonstrated,
You are watching Juicy News on
I led
YouTube.
demonstrations
Hot news
that
all
the student
time.
loan at the time, which was administered by SNIT, has delayed. Can you believe that? Delayed. Today, you people are not even on the list at all. Student loan has collapsed, and you are all quiet. We, one day delay. And you know what I never told my colleagues? I was not a beneficiary. I never registered for the SNIT loan. My mother said, hey, I don't want you finishing school and you're already in debt. You owe government upon graduation. But I dare not tell colleagues when I was aspiring, because then they won't vote for me. Hey, that is too much information to give to your colleagues. It means you are not Mobrowa, you are not like us. The majority takes the SNIT loan. You are not on it. How can we trust you to defend us when there are delays, to lead us to fight for it? They wouldn't have voted for me, so I kept that information to myself. They found out later, and they were rather impressed that even though I'm not a direct beneficiary, I was always fighting for them. And that's how it must be. So our leadership will keep making all the mistakes if we don't force the priority on them.
Yo, Ejifo, say na Okudzeto Ablakwa editubia ewo dwumadie na ase na yɛhwɛ Ghana fo agyenkyerɛ ɛfa nsɛm a Okudzeto Ablakwa editubia. Where the Kwame line or say, yes, you are #1 in parliament, making us proud. Our weight is solidly behind you, honorable. Or also Nasema or the buy, I don't know. Where the Lamin Adam or say, totally agree. Public servant must be seen to fight for the national interest and not their selfish interest. Ablakwa remains a national asset and a proper presidential material in future. Also, no. Where the Komla Adafia or say it will take more than the talk of Ablakwa and a few others to win back the heart and minds of many of us. We will surely not give our vote to any non-performing party MPs. And yet we
You
will
are
watch
watching
and listen
Juicy
to you
News on
guys with
YouTube.
all
Hot news
skepticism.
all time.
Because the saying, one bad apple spoils the bunch, is true in this matter. Also, no. We saw the Wesley Benjamin or say, why would he support even his own, who may cause mayhem to put his only livelihood into jeopardy? If he does that, and may God forbid Ghana bans, he will be out of work because he has no career except being an MP just immediately after school. He hasn't even submitted any applications anywhere before. He only has CVs made for him for a deputy ministerial appointment, not for any career job seeking. So why not? He can't risk his only sole livelihood. Also, Nidia or they buy no. Gusaya Ghana for Agent Efa and somewhere Okudzeto Ablakwa Edituja. Where the Achimbuedu say, for all you know, he's the #1 traitor. This guy is good at distance himself, something he planned with his colleagues. And who be you? And also not some no. Where the Agyarko say, so who know those who voted for ministers to be approved? Or the assembly will be sir. Where the James Kofi Finn or say, who are treacherous MPs? Who are you to classify your colleagues MPs as treacherous, Sammy? If you live in a glass house, don't throw stone. Why? And also not some no. Where the Chung Lutakin or say social media MP, Masa, let's think, you are one of those unreliable and deceptive MPs in Ghana. Who are you to judge your colleagues? Always making noise without profitable
news
action.
On YouTube.
And also,
hot news all time.
Where the calf day or say we have these big brains in NDC. What is drama coming to do again? And also, no. Yepe Bakumi na Yemfa comment ni si na Yentua so. Where our hub or say this fight is not going to stop today. These guys are not ready for power. These baby with sharp teeth are just hypocrites, always pretending to be holy. And also not some no. Yo, it for winning and somewhere yes, Samuel Okudzeto Ablakwa MP for Nopton ni sama odi tuja o chese ono enya dia obe support to treacherous MP NDC for pa one betimi abane no. Ni nyina gina otimi say yaudie edaso wo eye Okudzeto mu eye MPC bia one fetchire koto aba ema eye MPP for no ministers eye Akufo-Addo power no a one si gina say enya dia one be support to sa ministers yi na ba se koto aba no na ebia fetchire akoto ama yaje sa ministers yi gina atum na no Okudzeto Ablakwa ekopi wo eye University of Health and Allied Sciences our near students for ni bi din komo a ode sansem wo nyina ekoto edwa ewo hodomo. Or for me cow says we can subscribe to the channel na message say obe subscribe na wa like video na my na fe wa share ama ofoforo so enye bi ahwe e de Ghana for adwentre so ema mo e fa nsema ye Okudzeto Ablakwa editubia wo so betimi akire wadwen e wo comment box ni mo mo bete minka biom in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.